A warm welcome to all. This is Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. It is an continuation video of Unit 1 from Marketing. Let's see the content of the video. In this video, I am going to explain elements of marketing. The second one is what is the important role played by the marketing, and the third one is how market is being most important one, how it is related to the buyer and seller. Role of marketing. Here I have mentioned three important roles of marketing. One is identify customer, second one is satisfy customer, third one is retain the customer. First one is identification of customer. As a seller, they have to be identify their customer, whether we are targeting for large income people or middle income people or lower income people. Based on that only they are producing product or selling goods to their customer. So identification of customer is most important role of marketing. So here they have to understand customer wants and needs, which means that what is the customer is being expectation and what is the need of their customer, what kind of product they are expecting from their seller. So as a seller, he has to sell the product which is mostly suitable to their customer. So what he wants, that is most important one. Based on that only, as a seller, he has sell the product to the customer. So I already told that identify whom to target and how to reach them. So who is our targeting customer? Based on that only we can sell the product to the end consumer. Second one is satisfying customer. Satisfaction of customer is the most important one to make them into purchase the product or service to the regularly. Then only as a competitor, as a seller, they can able to survive in the market forever. How to satisfy our customer? Because it is based on they have to sell the product or service, the right product or service available to the right people at the right time. So timing is most important. So at the right time the right goods or service to be placed in correct place, then only they can satisfy the customer. As a seller, he has to make his customer for feel better off from the exchanging of service and goods. So then and only they will satisfy at every point of time. Then the third one is retaining of customer. Retaining of customer is also most important one, because to survive in the market as a seller or manufacturer, they have to sell the product with a long life by the way of providing a better service and better quality of product. As a customer feel more satisfied, then we can surely retain the customer. Here I have mentioned that customer a reason to keep coming back. How the customers are being coming back? Based on that our service providing, then satisfaction, then providing various kind of opportunity, to that only we can retain our customer. Then as a seller, he has to find out new opportunity to win their business. How we can make our customer to be more satisfied, then how to we can retain the customer. So based on that only we can sustain in the market. So these are the most important role of marketing. A small example, suppose I am selling one mobile phone to the person. So first I have to identify who is our customer. So mostly mobile phones are used by young people. So my target is I am going to identify my customer as a young and adolescent person who are below 25. So it is a way of first I identify the customer below 25. Adolescent and adults are going to purchase the mobile phone. So my target is adolescent. Second one, how to satisfy customer. My making of more offer to the product, like mobiles having a back case, then a warranty, guarantee, then door delivery. These are the way to satisfy the customer. Then how to retain them in case the particular mobile is being repairing or any other damages, or particular problem is being arising due to overwhelming of heating, that kind of issues will come out. So based on that, as I am a seller, to remove all those problems, so surely they will purchase the product again and again. Then they will inform to their friends, so that I can sustain in the market. So role of marketing, identification, satisfaction and retain is the most important one. Importance of marketing. Marketing is important because it helps you sell your product or service. So the main purpose of marketing is to make money, and marketing is essential channel to distributing the product to the end consumer. Here I have shown you a 12 importance of marketing. Let us see one by one. What are customer satisfaction? So customer satisfaction is important one. So market is completely based on the customer. So how we can satisfy customer? So that is an important one. Second one is competitive advantages. So what is competitive advantages? By making a better product in the market, we can survive in the market. Then we can competition, we can make a competition with our competitor, so that our product is having a more demand. So by the making of better product, then cheap price and best quality, we can compete our product with their competitors products. So competitive advantages is important one. Then corporate image. As a seller or a service provider, they should create a corporate image for their particular product or service. A small example, corporate image is like that: KFC chicken, Otto shirt, ICT Ashirwad. Like that, corporate image is most important for every product. Then Hotel Saravana Bhavan. So this is the best kind of service, corporate image. Expansion of business. It is also one of the important functions, importance of marketing. So expansion like that, as a seller or a service provider, they have to make or create more number of shops to the nearest all over place. Like that, like one example, a Saravana store is situated in T Nagar, Krompet, Padi. So different places, the particular business is being enhanced and developed. So it is a best examples of expansion of business. So all over all the people are from different place, they can buy the product in near their richest place. So that it is expansion of business is also one of the important one. Economies of scale. Economies of scale is related to how we are selling our product, whether it is targeting for middle class people or high class people or lower income people. So these kind of all those peoples should come and buy our product. So that based on that only we have to show our business. Like that, as a seller or service provider, they have to be provide a service to the all over person. All the peoples should come and buy the product. That is a economic scale. The next one is efficiency. Efficiency is how we are efficiently involved in the market, by the way of how we are creating a demand for our product, how we are showing our ad and bit notice or newspaper advertisement. Like that, we have to efficiently involved in the market. Then each and every day we have to observe how market is going on, whether our product has a high demand or low demand, how our customers are being satisfied, our service is okay for the customer, or we have to improve any point of view. Based on that only we have to efficiently involved in the market. So this is also one important one. Next one is organizational objective. So as every service sector or a seller, their main objective is to earn a profit, not like that too. So they have to be show that we are customer oriented. Customer is most important for one. How we are introducing a product into the market. So introducing into a product, they have to be plan for the product, then what kind of product is having a more demand in a particular market situation. They should understand current market situation, then only they can introduce the product in the market. So these are also organizational objective of the marketing. Then optimum use of resource. So optimum use of resource is nothing but how we are effectively involved in the market, how we are collecting information from the customer. So what are the resources is available in the market, whether it is an online market or a trade market or any other kind, direct selling or indirect selling. These are the optimum resource they should be used in the market. Then and only they can develop their marketing business. So next one is brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is an important one. How we have to produce a product, based on that the product should be a more loyal one, the customers are feel more loyal. Based on that only we have to create a manufacture a product, then and only the customers will be more satisfied. So brand image is a most important one. The next one is brand equity. So brand equity, like that, suppose I am producing a one shirt, it is a auto shirt, so another my competitors also producing a shirt, that product also should be most equally one. So our product is best one, that should be understand by the customer. So based on that only the brand equity is also most important one. Then brand image. The brand image, every product should compulsory have a brand image. So based on that only the customers are being attracted, then they can easily buy our product. A small example, Vivo mobile phone is having a high clarity, Oppo mobile phone is having a high clarity, then Realme is having a better battery coverage. So that only based on that only we can improve our product, then we can show the brand image to the customers. So customers are every time choose our product based on that brand loyalty and equity and image. These are the most important ones of the marketing. So brand always having a high demand, so it is targeted for the high income people or low income or middle income people. It is not, does not apply. So all the persons are should ready to buy the branded product. Next one is benefits to stakeholders. So stakeholders is nothing but who are all financially supporting for the market, like that. So benefit to stakeholders, so who are investing into the market, they should be compulsory benefited. So as a seller or manufacturer, they have to be work for the stakeholder, then only they can satisfy that they can invest more in money into our marketing. So these are the importance of marketing. Thank you all. I hope that you are all able to understand the concept of role of marketing, then importance of marketing.